Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something that I am really passionate about, and that is performance testing. I personally believe that performance testing is essential for any kind of software project. And if you're not doing it, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity to improve the quality of your code. So today I want to talk about the 5 best practices for establishing a performance testing strategy. And let me tell you, these tips are absolute gold. I've personally used most of them in my own projects, and I've seen a huge improvement in the performance of my code. So, the first tip is to establish clear performance objectives. And I truly could not agree more. If you don't have clear objectives, then how are you going to know if your code is performing well or not? This is such an important step, and it's something that a lot of people overlook. The second tip is to create realistic performance tests. And this is something that personally I struggled with in the beginning because I used to create tests that were way too complex, way too unrealistic, which of course made it difficult to get accurate results. And once I started creating tests that were more realistic, I was able to get much better insights into the performance of my own code, of course. The third tip is to use realistic data. This is something that a lot of people overlook as well, but it is so important. If you're using unrealistic data in your tests, then you're not going to get accurate results. So please make sure that the data you're using is representative of what your code will be processing in the real world. The fourth tip is to use a variety of tools and techniques. This is another tip that I really love. There are so many different tools and techniques out there, and it is so important to experiment and find what works best for you and your project. So please find what works best. And finally, the fifth tip is to involve your entire team. This is such an important step because performance testing should not be the responsibility of just one person or a whole team. Everyone should be involved in the process, from the developers to the testers to the project managers. So, there you have it. Those are the 5 best practices for establishing a performance testing strategy. I really hope that you found this video helpful and informative enough. Please let me know in the comments if you have already used any of these tips in your own projects and how they have worked for you. And also, don't forget to like this video and, of course, subscribe to Aqua Cloud's channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.